Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on this 4runner build series. Today, we are going to be getting rid of these OEM taillights and replacing them with Morimoto's V2 taillights. All right, let's get started. All you're going to really need today is a 10mm socket on either a hand wrench or a drill. Okay, so you're going to want to start by taking off this plastic piece right here. If you look on the inside corner, there's a little piece for a pry tool. You just want to stick it right in there, pop it out, and then the whole thing should pop out just like that. Okay, so now you'll take your drill with your 10mm socket on it, and you'll take off two 10mm bolts. One is located here, and the other just up here. Take those off, just like that. Be sure to hold on to these and to not let them fall down there. Okay, now we'll get our next one that's just right up top, right up here. It's the same thing. Okay, now we'll go ahead and remove the taillight itself. So now that the two bolts are undone, you'll just kind of want to grab it out here on the outside and then right up here, and you just kind of pull straight towards you and it should pop straight out just like that. Don't pull too hard because you don't want to pull the wire that's behind it and mess up with that wiring. Okay, so now you'll unplug this wire that's right here located behind your taillight. Just like that. Let's open our new taillights. Whew. Those are nice. When putting these on, I would recommend keeping the plastic layer on just so you don't scratch anything on the install process. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll plug in the new plug that's on your new Morimoto light into your OEM one, just like that, until it clicks. And then you're going to line all of these two bolts, these two screws up, as well as these two pins, as well as being sure to line up this side piece with this internal clip that's on the inside right here, just so everything fits nice and flush. And then as soon as it's in place, you should hear it click into place. You can go ahead and remove this plastic wrap to reveal your new taillights. Okay, lastly, you're going to replace your two bolts to secure your taillights in place. I recommend putting them on finger tight first. Okay, and lastly, you will place your second bolt up here on this bolt that's right there and tighten it into place. You'll tighten them all the way down with your drill. Okay, so once those two bolts are in, you'll just replace your plastic piece right here just by sliding it in, clicking it into place. And just like that, you're done. And with those few easy steps, you have a huge upgrade to your 4runner. I can't recommend enough doing LED lights on your 4runner for the taillights and for the headlights. Be sure to check out our website and see all the options that we have for your 4runner today at 4runnerlifestyle.com. Also, be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what else we should do to this awesome 4runner. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.